Zimbabweans, this coming ZANU-PF conference in Mutare should be on everyone's lips, and you all need to stop the madness. Sarabena mashoko tagwa na Susan Mutami panguva ino achiti the ZANU-PF conference, let us grab the opportunity panguva ino to speak out. Vese vari mu the ruling party ZANU-PF musabvuma kuitiswa kana kubvuma kutengwa nemari panguva ino inoda kuti the same money yamunenge muchifarira, it is the same money which is going to destroy you. Sarabena mashoko atogwa na Susan Mutami panguva ino. Remember, subscribe or like on the bell icon. And then Rambera Chiti, now is the time for you to exercise your constitutional right. Your country is being run by grade 2 dropouts who are doing on the job training whilst managing sensitive portfolio and they have failed dismally. If only you had listened to me when I told you in 2022 that they were planning on making the country a dynasty, you should have acted instead of just retweeting and gossiping about it. No one is coming to save you. Other countries are busy with their own issues, and some countries are benefiting of the chaos and misgovernance. You are all being abused, and as someone who is being abused before, the only way to take your power back is by standing up to your abuser and telling him you have had enough and fight for your life. Eddie Mnangagwa is an embarrassment to the world at large, and it's time for you all to cleanse yourselves and take your country back. Imagine Tungwarara's kids live in Dubai on your damn whilst you all struggle to make ends meet. Temba Mliso owns a lot of properties in Dubai, penthouses at mansions in South Africa, houses in the UK, on your dam, amongst many others things. For once, unite for a purpose. Tomashika watagwa pana Susan Mutami achiti aiwa vanhu vakaita sana Tungwarara mhuri dzavo dziri kutogara kuDubai vatori nemamansions vatori nemaproperties but panguva ino they are gaining mari iyoyo nekuda kwokuita kuti musafe mutambure. They know kuti even vakatandaniswa muno muZimbabwe vangotiza vachienda kuDubai votonogara vanokuflaurisha vachiita zvavanoda. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ino ari kuonekwa kunzi vavari munyika yeZimbabwe vari kuuya vachiejiwa kunzi don't be used. Some other people that are benefiting from you whilst you are remaining silent. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndinongomesa kuchemedza mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like chat on the bell icon.